This video is reference documentation on how to install OpenShift Origin version 3.9 on Ubuntu 18.04. We're going to be using a instance on AWS. So basically this blog is our reference documentation. We're going to follow all the steps that are provided here and install OpenShift. So our specs, once again, we're going to use Ubuntu 18.04 on AWS, OpenShift Origin version 3.9, Docker version 18.06. Alright, let's get started. We got a pretty decent size Ubuntu machine, and this will be a single cluster installation. So let's first install Docker 18. For installation of Docker, I would refer to the Docker's own documentation in this page here. You can follow all the steps. So if there is a Docker already installed of any older version, remove that by using this command. We don't have to worry about that because this is a brand new instance. So first of all, we're going to run a update. So basically I'm following step-by-step guide as recommended on this page. Let's make sure it indeed prints. Okay. We're going to add the repository. Alright, this command will install latest version of Docker Community Edition. Okay, by default you will have to add sudo to run Docker command, for example, sudo docker version. So in order to be able to run just Docker, that is without sudo, so you want to add the current user to the Docker user group. So that will be okay. So you exit and then come back. So now you can run Docker version. So we have Docker 18, and next step we're going to be installing OpenShift. So for installing OpenShift, follow this documentation here. You can also go on OpenShift's own website. So I have step-by-step guide documented here. So first of all, I'm going to download the necessary package. So you can find all the OpenShift releases on GitHub. So you can find from here Origin releases. So we're going to be getting 3.9, untar the package, then cd to OpenShift folder, and then we're going to copy the OC command to the user local bin path so that you execute OC command from anywhere. Sudo cp oc user local bin, just to check OC version. Okay, that's running. Insecure registry to Docker daemon configuration so that OpenShift can access or Docker allow OpenShift to use these registries, insecure registry, where it'll cache container images locally. So sudo I would rather copy this to make it easy. And restart the Docker service. Service Docker. Okay, that's good. Now you have to start up the OpenShift cluster. So what I will do, I will take this command and apply the domain name applicable to my use case. So change this to OpenShift cloudhub.co. Zip.io is a public DNS service that'll help you forward or route your domains to specific location if that location is accessible on the internet. So read more about Zip.io on the website Zip.io. So we're going to be using domain name OpenShift.cloud-hub.co. Exit out of sudo mode and then start OpenShift cluster. Okay, as you can see now, the OpenShift server is accessible over this domain name and that port. So let's go try that. So it's a self-signed certificate, so we're getting an SSL exception, so that's expected. System admin login as system and admin password. So this is what you get by default. So this is the catalog, the home page, where you can choose any of these available application and then deploy. So currently there are no projects in the system admin space. So you can start by creating a new project, or you could also use console, where you can say OC login. First of all, you have to log in to the server. Okay, OC new project, test project. So the test project appeared. You can look inside of it. You can now start deploying specific applications. So that's a whole separate thing. So basically your OpenShift platform is ready. So this is how we install OpenShift on Ubuntu 18.04.